So when it comes to reliability and stability of construction machines, regular maintenance is very important. The daily maintenance points are easy accessible, like we have it on our Volvo machines. And here we have already a lot of service points on one place. We have the washer fluid, we have the coolant, we have the water separator, and here you can refill your hydraulic oil if needed. This you can check on this side here. And here you can easily check the oil level of your engine. On this side we have also the air filter, which we can easily take out and clean every day. All greasing points are easy to access. And that's how easy it is for our compact wheel loaders.